We found our first scavenger hunt.
We found the first scavenger hunt.
Alright, so they found an
ant.
Ant farm. Where's the ants at?
The ants are in there.
I just seen one crawl out.
I just saw one crawl out.
It's gone, I guess.
It went in.
Anywho.
I see it.
Smile, say cheese.
Cheese.
Perfect.
Okay. Alright, so we found the lizard.
Say cheese, you guys.
Cheese.
Found something tall, something
red.
Something tall and red.
Good job.
A red stop sign. Do they need to hold the paper or no?
They should be holding this paper. Huh.
Me.
Okay, they're gonna hold it this time.
Just like that, Mama. I gotta get the whole framing.
Spider.
Doesn't matter. Look up, you guys.
The spider on
Say
our
cheese. Michaela, look at Mommy.
Cheese.
Got it.
Palm
Is it
trees
spider?
here, but we'll see.
Palm tree?
No.
Mommy,
Here.
give me
Palm tree.
that.
No, those are no. That is
What's
not
wrong
it.
with you, palm
Here,
tree?
here.
But we have to go somewhere to see palm trees. I see American flag
Where?
right there. House.
Okay, get closer to Saya. Look.
No, Messiah, move. That was nice.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
KK, look at.
Cheese.
Okay, got it.
Alright, let's go to the next one.
American flag.
Does it have American flag on there?
Huh?
Does it have American
Yeah,
flag
it
on
does, but that's where his friend was.
Let me see me.
Let's go somewhere else. We don't want to be going to your
Friend's house.
No, that's not my friend's house.
sidewalk chalk.
Oh. Let's see.
Sidewalk chalk? Oh, I already know where it is. It's over there.
People write on the road on the chalk.
Mm-hmm. You can't go.
Yeah, I know.
Friend,
We're trying to do social distancing, Messiah.
friend is not over there.
How come we never got one of those things in
What?
our house?
What?
That thing.
I thought we were supposed to get one of those.
We didn't pick it. It's supposed to be brown.
Oh, yeah, sure was.
That's what's supposed to keep some of the sun out.
Mm-hmm.
Come on.
Aw.
Mm-hmm.
Aw, hold my hand.
It can walk faster.
Yeah, we know. You got little legs.
My leg is hurting.
Your
On
legs
the
are
side,
hurting.
we have to go this way and see the palm tree.
There's no palm trees here.
Yes, it is. Probably have to pass a man. We have to ask a man.
No.
Trust me. We have to
We'll
ask
be
that
shocked.
man.
Mm-hmm.
We have to ask a man.
What is next on our
We
list?
have a cactus around here? Somewhere?
Yes. Yes, we do. That's a cactus, technically, because the poke.
No.
Okay, well, I'll hold your hand.
Here, can you put this in your backpack?
It always does that face.
Here, I got it. We're going to go for the tables because they're kind of shiny. And they said look for something shiny. So I think that's going to be the goal. Oh, they finally put little lights on it.
I know, isn't it getting cuter and cuter every
Yeah,
time
it
we
is
come over
getting
here?
cuter.
This is a little doggy area. It's
Yes,
amazing.
it's supposed to be the doggy park. I think. So I think we're gonna take pictures of the tables because they're kind of they're shiny. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead, sit down. Here, hold your picture, you guys. Sit at the table.
Okay.
Right there, next to the side.
The sun is shiny. You just can't look at it.
Yeah, it hurts the eyes.
Mommy,
Alright.
can you help me? Keep the water.
Hey,
After I told you I didn't want you holding onto this. This goes in the backpack.
No, I want to hold it.
No, no,
Because
no,
it's going to
no.
get lost.
No, no.
Oh, she got to
Nope.
be in this picture.
Okay.
In my bucket.
Can I have the paper?
Okay, well, hold the picture then. This is my daily struggle. She thinks
What is she doing?
she better not. Okay, come sit right here.
Okay, you can't have that. You can't have it.
Sorry. It's our garage opener. We only have one left. Here, sit. Okay, well then don't take a picture.
Here, can you grab it? You're not gonna ruin the There you go.
Here, quickly. Sisters, something else. Got it.
Found a shiny thing. It is the bitch. She's acting a fool.
Alright, you ready to go?
Shiny.
High fashion. Oh. My fashion.
Oh, we did a shadow, huh? Oops. Shadow.
Shadow.
Okay. Where's something shiny? I thought I seen something shiny. Maybe you already marked it off or something.
High fashion. Whoa. My fashion.
Something
Go,
with
go,
black
go.
fruit. Swim, flags,
High fashion.
Oh, here, got something shiny.
Whoa.
Alright, let's go, you guys. I don't think we're gonna find a palm tree.
I don't think.
Yeah, I don't think so.
You might call me crazy, but
Alright.
oh, chalk.
Chalk?
Yeah, chalk. Caitlin is doing chalk.
Oh, okay.
Can we ask?
Yeah, you can ask. Wait, but yeah, you can ask.
Taking a picture.
Just need
If they
picture.
have a picture. On the ground.
There's plenty to choose.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Take a picture. Just take a picture right here.
Kind of have to look down a little bit. Maybe have them squat.
Cheese.
Something yellow.
Yellow.
And we got the map. Then we got the
Can
map.
y'all look up?
We got a map.
All right, got it. Here.
Ooh, we found a truck.
We found the truck.
Show the sign. Good girl.
Y'all.
Got it.
Alrighty.
Whoa.
Either we need a picture of a bike, too.
I have a bike.
No, we gotta do it
You
the
gotta
right
go
way.
outside,
Outside. Oh,
Can you get out of the street?
What if we pretend I didn't know you guys and then just run
No.
in the
I'm sorry.
It wouldn't be right.
Alrighty. Let's see. I guess we other people doing this too. Kind of nice.
Oh, that's right. It was at our door. I just picked it up and said, oh, this will be fun. We've been in the house for days.
I know it is good much, but I see the reason behind it. A, we're all
Wait.
scared. A, we don't know.
That is not a cactus. Is it a cactus?
I thought there was a cactus.
Only thing I don't think we're gonna
all
find is a
around
palm
there.
tree.
And then walk
Let's
all
take
around
a
back.
picture of it. Is the swing on there? It said.
Yes, it says a swing.
Okay, well, we'll get this one too. I can't believe they haven't sold these houses yet.
I know, it's priced. I looked in, remember we looked at those?
Yeah.
It would be,
Is this
that would've
summer?
been extremely too big.
Is this summer?
It's supposed to be spring.
It feels like summer.
I
Yeah, I
know.
know.
It's pretty warm.
Oh, there's something swingy-ish.
Yeah, that's a swing. Can we just swing on it?
No, you gotta take a picture.
Yeah. That's the same
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
I'll see where I'm tripping. Come on.
Ooh. Michaela, be careful. It's mud in there. You know her?
No?
Oh, that thing's even inside.
Who's that?
All right, go ahead and take a stand right there.
Or you guys can sit on there if you want.
I'll sit over here.
Show your picture. Show the picture.
Okay. We found a
Okay,
swing.
we found something, a swing.
Found the swing.
Got it.
All right. There, we found a swing.
Done.
We finally found a lizard. Messiah pointed it out. Yay. There's Michaela. All right. They found a cactus.
Good
Yay. Don't touch it.
Found
Your
some
family day.
And we found a rock, you guys.
Yeah, it's a smooth rock. Look.
Oh yeah, make sure you subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe.
All right.
We have found a butterfly.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Show the sign. All right.
Perfect. If y'all want to hold on to y'all, hold on to the paper.
I want.
This way.
All right, so we've got their shadow. They dabbing, flossing.
I'm looking. Let me do my pose.
Where do I
Got
throw
it.
this? Where do I throw this?
Let's just
I'm
put
just
it
trying to-
inside the thing. Can you hold my, Rosa, can you hold my phone very carefully? Here.
Me,
This is us. This is real life.
me, mommy.
The struggles.
Me,
Y'all probably was watching the ground for a minute. I didn't know that it was recording still.
me.
If she drop it, we ain't gonna find it. Then how we gonna get a house?
hmm
Oh, I know the code.
We all know the code. Alrighty. Let's see. Because we're looking for something shiny.
And
Something green? Grass.
Free.
Okay. Well,
violets are
let's
blue.
go on. Let's get on the grass, you guys.
See.
Sit down. Ooh. We
Y'all
can
want to
just-
sit on grass?
No, we got spiders.
I'll just sit down.
You'll just stand. Here.
Yeah.
Shit. Oh, whoa, whoa.
So, found something green, which is grass.
High fashion. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Look up, KK. Smile.
Fashion. Whoa,
There you
whoa.
go. You go, girl. You give him
All 20.